Hello guys, Sam here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As an autistic person, my channel is a safe place to discuss DIYs, showcase my artwork, and much more. Follow me on my social media platforms at Instagram, Hello DIY Sam, TikTok, Samantha Collado 0, and Twitter, Sam Hello 19. If you enjoy my content, please leave a drop like button, a comment, and don't forget to do all the beautiful things on your keyboard. Peace. Hey guys, Sam here. I wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and your family, and including your loved ones, but don't forget that they won't be forgotten. So, for today's video, I'm gonna make a tie-dye shirt for the first time, and honestly, I'm scared. But hey, we're not gonna get everything perfect, and that's life. You know what I mean? So I got the tie-dye kit from Walmart, and then I got the shirt from Walmart, but I don't physically have it because it's out for delivery. And I was looking at different examples. There was good reviews and bad reviews. So let's leave it up to God. And I'll be back with part 2. Peace. Alright guys, I am back and let's be creative. So I'm taking the shirt and rolled it up into like a log. I think that's how you say the word, to secure it nice and tight. So, like I said, I'm making sure the shirt is nice and secure. And the next thing I'm doing, I dip it into a cup of warm water that put sugar absorbent, something like that, that came with the tie-dye kit. Now I'm taking the rest of the water and just drizzling. I'm thinking I forgot the name, but you get the point. Now I'm putting those two, like I said, I forgot the name, to hold it, like I said, to secure it nice and tight. And this activity was messy, but it's okay to get messy. Life is messy. Now I'm putting on plastic glove that came with a tie-dye kit. Now taking different kinds of blue to give it that everything is blue. taking a plastic bag to keep it together, and let's hope for the best. So this is what I have, and I'll be back with part 3. Good morning, guys. Sam here. I hope you all are having a beautiful day today. And this is part 3 of the video because the tie-dye shirt is completely done. And like I said, this is the final product. And I'm just so impressed. I follow all the instructions. And what do you think? Like, what else do you want me to do? Because I'm trying to brainstorm more ideas. And don't forget to do all the beautiful things on your keyboard. And peace. Here's the picture before I tie-dye this shirt. And this is the final product. So let me know what you think. And don't forget to do all the beautiful things on your keyboard. Peace.